Hello and welcome to today's video, where I'll guide you through the process of saving passwords on the Chrome app. Let's get started. First, find and open the Chrome app on your smartphone. Once you're in Chrome, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then, within the Settings section, choose Password Manager. If you don't see the option to add a password, you may need to sync your account. Simply tap on the blue icon in the upper right corner to sync your account, then select the account you want to use. Next, tap on Add Password. Here, you can save your password. Enter the website for which you want to save the password, then type in your username and password. Once you've entered all the details, tap on Save in the top right corner. And there you have it! You successfully saved a password using the Chrome app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.